Hello, everyone. My name is Elsa, and I will be your teacher for those days, okay? So, nice to meet you, and I hope you are doing well at home, okay? So, uh, let's start with the class, okay? So, to start this class, I want you to tell you a story, okay? Last year in June 2019, I traveled to the USA. Okay, I arrived in the John F. Kennedy Airport in New York. I was traveling because I visited a camp in the state of Maine. So I want to tell you the experience that I have when I was in the frontier, where the place where the police have to check your papers so they can check that everything is in order. Yes. So the first the first thing they asked were for my visa because I was I was traveling with a special visa. It wasn't a tourist visa. It was J1 visa. It was a cultural exchange visa. Okay, so I arrived to the airport and then I have to make a big line, because in New York there are lots of people there. So first the police um, told me to show him my passport, and he checked it. He revised it, and she also asked me to give her my paper, because I have a special paper too. And then she told me to put my fingers, to check my print fingers, and I have to put them on a machine. Yeah. And he also asked me to um, she also asked me to show him my visa. Okay, and another two papers and my contract, because I have another paper from the camp that I was visiting. Okay. Yeah, so I tell you this because we are gonna talk about um, reporting requests and commands. Okay, so let me let's start with this. Okay, let's start with this sentence. She told me to show her to. Okay, let's read again. She told me to show her my return ticket. Okay, my return ticket. That's one sentence. The next one. She also asked me to give her my address in the States. Okay? Sorry, there's a mistake here. In the States. The States. Yeah, very good. In the States. Okay? So, do you notice which one is the difference between these two words? Yes? Okay. We used these keywords when we want to. Okay, let's start again. What is the difference between these two sentences, and which one are the similar? What is similar between these two sentences? Okay, did you notice it? Can you see the differences? Okay, in the first one we are using the word told. Okay, tell, tell, tell. It's the present, but when we are reporting something, we use told in the past. Okay. The other keyword that we are using in the sentence is ask. Okay. We used we use these reported words to say something or that someone told me, or that we want to tell to someone else, okay? Something that happened to me. That's why I tell you my story about what happened to me in the airport in New York City, okay? So, the first sentence, she told me to show her my return ticket, okay? I hear someone is telling someone else that there was a girl that asked her for a ticket, okay, for a return ticket. Here, okay, in this part, just let me check. When we use the word tell, okay, is to, it's for, we use the word tell for a command, okay, not to ask, for a command that someone asked me, okay. And she also asked me to give her my address in the States. This also, here the word ask, this is a request, okay. When we use the word ask, is a reported request, okay. Yes, is it clear what I'm trying to say? Okay, let me erase this so I can give you, for example, let me give you another example, okay. Okay, so here, let's check this, okay. The first example, do you make from home? Did you work? Okay, let me check. Do you work from home? And then it's the same, but here it's using the word ask, okay. But because he is telling you to someone about this, he asked me if I work from home, okay. Here it's someone asking to someone else, and here the person who was asked is telling you, is reporting the story to someone else, okay. Here, please take lots of photos on your trip to Cancun, okay. That's like an order, like a command, like a request, okay, to direct to someone. But then here, when we use the word told, he told me to take photos on my trip to Cancun. It's like if someone is someone is reporting or telling you to someone else that someone is asking you to do something, okay. So is it clear? Now let's go and check the activities, okay. Okay, let's make a review. Remember that to write with tell, first we have to, okay, first what we have to do is subject, she, plus tell or ask, told, plus object, me, plus infinitive, to show, plus the complement, okay, plus infinitive, plus complement. Okay, plus complement. Let's check again. Subject, she, plus tell or ask, here, plus object, me, plus infinitive, to show, plus the complement. Here, my return ticket. Okay? Is it clear? Okay, to finish the class, I send you this activity and you have to finish it, okay? It's report the speech with tell and ask, and there are 20, okay? Yes, so when you finish this one, and if there is time, okay? If still we have time, okay, we will do this one, okay. Everything is going to be updated, okay. So you can, these activities you can do it on your notebook, write them and answer them, or you can print them, answer them, and then take photos, okay, and send it to me so I can check it out later, okay. So that's everything for today. Bye bye.